welcome to Halftime Report. I'm Ekta Batra, with me Sonia Shenoy as well as Mangalam Malu. Well, it's turning out to be a session where we have definitely recovered from the day's low, so there is some amount of optimism and strength ahead of a whole host of cues that we have to reckon with. Yes, Adani is the top story that we are dealing with, but there are a lot of numbers to watch out for and a lot of earning reactions which we shouldn't be ignoring at this point. For example, Bajaj Finance, which is one of the top gainers on the Nifty, Bajaj Finance, which comes out with numbers today, Larsen & Toubro, which is close to a fresh high. So that one is coming out with numbers today as well. So a lot to discuss over the next 60-odd minutes. Hi, Sonia. Hi, Mangalam.
Hi, Ekta. Hi, Mangalam. In fact, this is the biggest week for financial markets, right?
Yeah.
Generally, the budget has started to be the biggest day. So in that context, it's the penultimate day before the budget. The good part is for today, the Nifty has held on to the support of 17,450. So that's the support for the day, and holding on also to the 200-day moving average, which is around 17,300. Now, a couple of stocks that are on our radar. Bajaj Finance, of course, is the biggest Nifty gainer right now. The fact that it's on track to meet its full-year guidance is something that the street definitely likes and has taken with both hands. And there are some really aggressive target prices on the street. So just two cases in point. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley have target prices of between 8,000 and 9,000 on Bajaj Finance, and it's well above where the current market price is. The other one is L&T. Going into its numbers, it's a tad bit weak today, but largely it's had a good upside in the in the past quarter or so, and the numbers are expected to be solid as well. Revenue growth of 16%, EBITDA growth of 19%. So that's the other stock that I'm looking at. And a pocket on the whole that deserves mention this morning is the auto ancillary space. Mahindra CI, Minda Corporation, autos have come back in a big way. So this is one space where there's buying action as well. So amidst all of this chaos, right, and the Adani Group, the FOMC, the budget, there are some pockets of value that this market is finding.
It is. And, you said it right when you said amidst all of this chaos, because there are weeks when nothing happens and there are days where weeks happen. Because I'm just looking at the range on the Nifty today. It's a 250-point range. And all of last 10-15 days before this Adani saga unfurled, we had the Nifty trading between an 80 to 100-point range. So, well, that's the market for you. And we do have a bunch of stocks in focus as well.
Yeah, just before we get to that, I just wanted to point out Laurus Labs, which came out with its numbers just a couple of minutes ago. Laurus Labs is up around 2% reacting to its numbers. Revenue is up 50% on a year-on-year basis. So it was expected. We were anticipating a revenue growth of around 47%. So it has largely met expectations. EBITDA has come in with a growth of around 41.4% year-on-year. And we were anticipating around a 50% growth. Margins have come in at 26.1%. We were anticipating around 28%, but nothing really to write about, considering that it is still a very strong revenue growth that they've reported this time. Net profit up around 32% on a year-on-year basis, and the street was anticipating around 185 crores in terms of absolute numbers. It's coming at around 200-odd crores. So good performance coming in for Laurus Labs. Stock is up around 4% at this point.
All right, 4% higher for Laurus Labs. But remember, from the highs, we have seen a near 40-45